It wasn't clicking.
It's actually my foot is feeling like
yeah, that one let go.
better,
That
I think.
one let go.
It's my foot's feeling softer.
Yeah, just from what I've done.
Just weirdly, it's a weird.
Yeah, because softer is like without tension. Your foot's going to feel hard with tension. So I'm starting to kind of, this is a very important area now between that point and this point. Okay, and a lot of people can hold an awful lot in here. So as well as like holding a pot, and I could just come in and hold each spot along here until it's, and wait for you to breathe into it and let it go. Or I can slowly start to caress between the spots. It's kind of like joining the dots, you know? And you can do either one. It depends on what's going to be the most effective, okay? And I'm thinking, okay, I've done a little bit of that, but there's a spot right here that I want to, again, just watch you and get you to breathe into. And that's about our maximum. Yeah. And I'm just going to hold that, let you breathe into it. And then I can even move the toe just to create a bit of movement, which will help that dissipation of the tension. And then I could just go ever so slightly like that to push that down the band. And of course, some of that feels like it comes into my hand. And when I'm moving across the top, I'm going less deep, okay? Because if I went deep like that and moved it, it'd probably be a bit overwhelming.
Yeah.
All right, and then I can come in another spot, just a couple of millimeters further, and again, get up to that point where you can breathe into it.
Yep.
And then and then hold it, and then move it even side to side. And that slight movement, it might look tiny, but it feels fucking huge, right? Yeah, it feels like it's that big, even though I'm moving like that, you know? And that's why I'm saying, like, what I've learned is this area, there's so much going on between, like, here and this first joint. There's like a huge, yeah, that's right, yeah. So much energetic charge, and yes. And as I say, yours isn't even as tight as a lot of people's. It's not like this is all everybody's gonna experience.
Look how much my toes move.
Yeah. So, but it's too mind blowing for a lot of people,
that is
right?
all my mind just gone.
Yeah. That's the problem of where I've kind of gone to with the work I'm doing. It's sort of just so fucking far out of people's league of understanding.
It's just amazing, isn't it?
Like, what are you doing? Sticking people, you know what I mean? And even if you catch
just touching those
touching,
little bits can nearly send someone through the roof.
But it's so effective at getting rid of deep. This toe could have been out of position for 20 years, gradually 20, 30 years of building up, you know? And if you left this until your 80s, it'll be like so stiff.
Yeah.
And that's the point, you know? We don't, like, it's good to get things out, especially before you're 50, but, you know, because when you treat 70 and 80-year-olds that have never had massage, their joints are so stiff. And it's much harder to correct these imbalances when they're that stiff, you know? Whereas if we get the tension out now, your older age, you know, like when we, you know, especially 70s and 80s, let's say, is going to be much better. Because you're not going to, like, how many old people complain about arthritis?
Yeah.
Almost all. And they just, and you ask it, yeah, no, that's okay, I understand. It's all, that's what I said, this would be this side feels like it would, and that's very common too. A lot of people have this, more than 50% of people are going to have this toe pulling this way. And that this, between here and here, is going to be excruciating if you went, you know. I don't want it to be excruciating. But you can see even just moving along like that, it's kind of, you know what I mean?
I'm really scared now.
No. So take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Calm your mind. Nothing I'm going to do will be excruciating. Okay? It'll be within your limits.
Yeah, I don't want to have to. I really don't want to. I don't want to kick you in the face.
No.
I would never kick you in the face.
And I don't want you to kick me in the face.
I
have been kicked before.
But I would never.
Below that, okay? So you just tell me. It's a partnership model of medicine, okay? So I want to work with you to get this tension out, but within your realm. How's that? Good. And that's where patience, because a lot of people will want to do it too quick, even though this might have taken her decades to get this tight.
Yeah.
Right? They go, I got to get it done.
Yeah. Well, and that's just it. You want to get it out. It's like the body's
but
like,
no.
No.
You're working with the person and what they can breathe into, and that's why I say we're a servant of the breath. All right, and that's one of the understands, patience and perseverance. So now I'm going in slightly deeper.
Yeah, I can feel it in my other toe.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, well, it will, because this
That's
toe
so
will be affecting
weird.
that toe. Yeah.
Oh, like it's like shooting straight across into here somewhere.
Into there. Interesting, yeah, no, I haven't even touched there. But yeah, but it's been pulling
It's
this
like
way.
shooting across, like it's not.
Yeah.
It's just so
Yeah.
weird.
That is
Oh
so
my
weird.
goodness.
So, like some people, and like how many massage therapists ever even massage like the little toe or the big toe? And I spend all this time on big toes. I could literally, people don't believe it, but I could spend 2 hours on a big toe easy.
Well, if you
Even on a little toe, I
and
could
if you
actually
have to
literally.
take this
Yeah,
long
because,
toe.
but most people I do, because not many people are gonna, I'll work at people's, I'm not gonna, unless somebody's really loose, and there are some people that are, but let's just say you're averagely charged for your age, right? Or even slightly, I think you're slightly below averagely charged.
Okay.
Then most people are gonna be like, some people will be just through the, and you don't wanna put them through the roof, right? Because that's not gonna be beneficial.
No. And,
Right.
yeah, it leaves a
So I gotta work slow.
sour taste in people's mouths
Yeah,
too.
but if I work slow within your capability, you get to experience the benefits. It's not, it might look like I'm doing very little, like I'm just fucking around here with it, but you can feel it. Yeah, it's actually massive because there's so much detail.
I'm even getting a hot face.
Yeah. So, but people think they got to get all this. And that's the problem, because if they think they got to, I got to get, or they think I got to get the whole body done in a treatment. And that's actually a very counterproductive thought, because then you're going to rush and do everything half-assed or quarter-assed even, Whereas what I would do is I would go, okay, look, this is what I think needs to be done. There might be, to get you into good shape, I'd estimate, let's get you into a 20-hour program. I might do 4 hours at each foot, and then we'll see how you're going. After 20 hours, because I can't estimate. I can't estimate how well we're going to work together or whatever. But I'd say I can't see it being much less than that. You know what I mean? And I'd say for the sake of your body and the future of your life, it's a great investment for you to do 20 hours. And then we can assess how you're going after that. And if you're good, then great. We move you into a maintenance program. If all of this is completely tension free after 20 hours. Then you just need maintenance, because this is 48 years worth of tension, right? Yeah. And all your stress in life, and I've literally worked somebody where I've really loosened one foot and not the other, and they felt it years later. They could feel the difference between one foot and the other.
Well, you probably would, wouldn't you?
Yeah, you would, because one's got, whatever, however old they are, 30, 40 years of tension. Like if I completely released this foot and didn't do anything on that, you'd be feeling it. Yeah, you'd be just like so aware of how tight that foot is. Yeah. This one would feel amazing. Yeah. You're not going to feel the soreness.
That side won't feel good anymore. You'll just be like, this one sucks.
Yeah, that one sucks. Yeah. You're not going to be thinking about the pain of you shouldn't be thinking about the pain. The pain that I'm inflicting shouldn't be so overwhelming that it's like you're going to go, yeah, that was uncomfortable, but it's not like. Again, that's the whole point of getting that balance of how to work with people. And that's sort of what's taken me a lot of time, like years of experience to sort of work with and go, well, that was, unproductive to work that person too hard. So now I'm coming in a bit and just getting in below that joint, and I'm holding that pressure area. Oh, you hear that click? Yeah. And so I'm actually finding you're actually quite good to work with.
I'm trying.
Because you're trying.
I'm really trying not to tense everything up.
Yeah, and you're doing well. You're doing well. And it takes look, there's a lot of experience required in receiving this kind of stuff too. Yeah. Because this is not like anything you've ever had before, right? And so each time it's just, going to be building up your experience, and you're going to be able to and plus your trust of me, trust of what I'm doing, that I'm not, and then we can, each time it'll just get and plus as we get rid of the tension, it's going to hurt less.
Yeah, well, I was actually just thinking that.
Because even this toe right now, like look at the depth I'm going. It's not too bad. But this one, I go there and it's already hitting it because this is fresh tension, right?
Yeah.
But I'm sort of ready.
Oh my goodness.
There's no way, I haven't released this toe, but I got a good click here. I got 10 or 20% out, I feel, you know?
Yeah.
And so,
It feels a lot better.
It feels a lot
I didn't
better.
know that it felt bad.
yeah. And that's what I mean. People don't know. They're always like they're back there, you know? But you can feel, but once you start to feel how good it feels, you've got something to compare to because your normal is tight or relatively tight. You're not too bad. But now you've got something to compare to. And so as time goes on, and you're not going to be one of these people getting into their 70s and going, I've got arthritis and give me the anti-inflammatories or whatever the dog. And you feel those people's feet. I'm sorry. You feel those people's feet and their joints are like, they're fused together. That's how tight they are.
Yeah.
And then their whole bodies are tight. And it's just,
Well, it starts there.
it starts there, you know? So I'm sort of going to come between the two. I want to come back. I know there's a lot more to be done right in here, you know? And what I'm going to do is I know how sensitive that is. So what I'm going to do, take a deep breath, which might encourage you. And then I'm just going to go in slow. And I just want to feel that like spot where it's about an 8 for you. We about there now, do you think? Yeah. And you can see I'm not going in deep, right? And then I'm going to.
You're poking to the other side.
Yeah, and yet I'm really literally almost just holding the tool there.
As well.
Like you can see, it's not like some, but it's not like I'm pushing. You know what I mean? And that's why I say if you did push, you'd just overwhelm the person, right? So empathy.
This goes to show how close to the surface they are then.
Yeah, and it's exactly, and how tight it is. But this is so precise, and that's why I like it too, because I'm getting incredibly effective, but it's not tiring my hands out. See, because I'm not going like this and jabbing and tightening my hands. I'm just kind of like,
really gentle.
I'm just going like that. Like it's so gentle, right? And it's still right up, but it's right, because these bands are actually very thin. They're like little wires by the time they get here. Like they become big as they, you know, like
well,
you'll
they
feel.
have to be small.
They're small in there. So the diameter of this tool is about the diameter of the band. So it's right on it. And I'm not wasting. If I have a bigger tool, then I'm going to be wasting some of that, and I have to go in twice as hard to get that same pressure on the actual band.
Yeah.
Whereas that's why I've started to learn to like. I actually think it might have been you, Dan, that brought one of these ones in originally. Steve did he? Yeah, Steve. Okay.
Yeah, I've got one more like that one, but a bit smaller on
So
the
where
tip.
can you buy these ones from?
Amazon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Timu's good.
Timu's
Well,
good.
these
Cheaper,
are
yeah.
my Timu towels, and I took these with me down to Lawn, and so they decided to nickname me Timu Sue
Do you want a set of them?
because I'll just buy some off.
I've got 3 sets in my bag. They're only like $1 something for
okay.
3. Yeah, they're nothing. You can have a set if you
Well,
want.
I've got. I
Yeah,
can
no,
give you
I
some
got
money
it.
for them.
I got a spare one somewhere. I think I got enough.
Well, you need them.
Yeah, look, I got a bunch off of Timu too, like different sizes. You know?
Yeah.
You can
Yeah,
have
Yeah,
yeah.
because
it's fine, I can buy
the
some,
delivery
yeah.
was more than the thing, so I just like grabbed a heap of them.
I think, like, I don't like some of the gimmicky shit about Timu, but fuck, I use it a lot.
Yeah.
Oh, any good. So now I'm coming in here, and this is an area that needs a lot of, again, this could be easily overwhelming for people, and you don't want to go into the nail bed. So this is why it needs to be done with precision. And I can hold that. How's that for you?
It's okay.
It's okay?
I can feel it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So then I can travel down the band a little bit, maybe increase the pressure, let you breathe.
There is nasty. Yep.
And where it joins, where these bands cross the joints, they tends to be
Quite nasty.
quite nasty, yeah. And so what I'm doing is I'm trying to give you a bit of variety too. Like I'm not just kind of going on the same spot, you know? And I'm moving it, and you can see it's already starting to get a bit more, you know, flexibility and more supple, yeah. But I could easily come in, I know how tight this toe is, and I could come in like it doesn't want to move, and I can come in. Yeah, interesting. It's this toe now that feels the tighter of these two.
Really moving across.
Yeah. So I can do a little bit on this one. And again, I'm using a broader end, so it shouldn't be quite as intense.
No, not as bad as the other one.
Yeah. And then I can go, okay, if that's not activating it there.
Yeah, that is.
Yeah, that is, yeah. Yeah. Because I know it's there, and I can actually feel it going into my fingers.
That's That's really interesting.
Yeah.
You put the bigger one on and I barely
Yeah.
felt it.
Yeah.
That
one's like, yeah. And then I can move it, I can hold it.
Yeah, see now that's sending
Yeah.
electricity
Yeah.
this way.
That's why I like these precise ones. But like you say, they're not pokey because they're actually
Because they
rounded.
got the round, yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I thought was good about them. They got some weight to them too, which is holy.
Yeah, and metal's a little bit different than wood. It's a little bit less forgiving, but it gets in there. Nothing escapes from these metal tools is what I found.
Doesn't really hold any energy either.
Yeah. So again, I'm just sort of like a quick run over on the various bands. Just a quick one to let you know.
To let you know that they're there?
Yeah. And again, being a first treatment, this could be just a sort of, like I say, a guided tour for you.
Yeah, which is,
You know?
Which is what I think people would need, especially
Yeah.
if they're very new to it.
Yeah,
Like
exactly.
Just a very basic,
Yep.
this is what it's going to feel like, it's going to hurt.
And I'd be also with newer people, I'll be like, oh, wow, can you feel that? And so instead of them kind of going, oh, what you're doing hurts me, you're actually going back, no, I'm
know
bringing
where you
awareness
are.
to your tension. Because a lot of people, they get this thing that it's to do with that tool is, it shouldn't be that. It's like we're bringing awareness to your tightness, And you'll feel like crunchiness under, like even in here, you can feel that slight, like a crunchy feeling. And so sometimes I'll actually not just work on where I know the bands are, like in here, I can feel that band.
Okay, do.
Yeah. But I might even come in and do a little bit of caressing in between and just work the whole toe like that. Same in here, I could work along the band, which is here, and you can feel that band. See, there's no way with my fingers I could feel that band.
No.
I don't have that. Like my fingers are so much broader.
Yeah, but the thing is, it's so hard. Like
Yeah,
the
skin is hard, and these things will go through
Because
even
when I've
callous
been
skin.
like with massaging people, because I'll even like I press like this along their toes
Yeah.
and stuff like that, and like right in here and things like that as well. And even just when I'm just doing a normal relaxation thing, I will make sure I do, but which obviously isn't affecting them. Well, they all love it, but it's not this sort of thing. It's not releasing any sort of. Because
Trap.
you just can't. You can't do it with your hands.
No, you can't, and it'll tire your hands out too. You'll actually find that doing massage like that, your hands will be aching.
Yeah. Oh, actually, I've been quite good. Touch wood.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Good. Well, this I find saves my hands. But like I say, there's so much tension to keep me occupied. I could easily book you in for like a couple hours on this foot, not only make a certain amount of progress.
Yeah.
Each, because you can feel that through there. That's still charged. Or I could come back, and I could then hold the bit. These days, I do 70% of my work between here and here in the entire body.
Wow. Okay.
Which is mind blowing.
But
And
it
again,
makes sense, though.
it makes sense though, because you can see how much is held in here and it takes a while. Because it's not about, it takes me a long while to do. I could go,
Yeah, but it's the process.
It's the process. You need to breathe it in. You can't just, like again,
Yeah.
we're not